See money. I told her bill be this so. Hey, Baba, this one na less na. You don't know. See, if you say we catch that man, now blocks if we pay for this USD. You don't understand. But you know now, I told her which now. See dollar now, dollar bill like this. See naira, see money. Hey, we go see money. Don't be like shy guy. Money na money. Anyhow when it be. Oh man, I think we need to leave here right now. Here is not safe anymore.
Oh, Barry. Oh. It was the grace of God that saved me. Those boys nearly caught me.
This happened this afternoon.
About 30 minutes ago, I left my car there and ran for my dear life. They came after me. They were shooting carelessly in the bush.
This is serious.
Barry, I've never seen such in my life. Who could have sent them after my life?
Who else, if not your debtor?
My debtor?
Oh yes, the young man that has the 30 million naira. He could have sent some men to eliminate you.
Could this be true?
This is the reason why you must look for that young man and get him arrested immediately.
Okay. I will definitely get him and teach him the lesson of his life. Honestly. Barry.
Shut on. Anaconda, chimpanzee. 350 billion Kuwait dinar. 88.90 zillion.
You made me cry for you.
Chimpanzee. I need your scrotum.
I'm sorry, I haven't been able to.
That is not why I'm here. Okay? Can we talk inside?
All this wickedness on me.
Your scrotum. Give me your scrotum. I want to eat it. Your scrotum.
Whatever I did to you, please
Shut up.
Because I'm
389 billion this year.
return my favor back.
38.9 billion Kuwait dinar. Money. Shut up. Your scrotum.
Ojuko, when last did you see Evan?
I was at the city 2 days ago. His wife has taken him to a psychiatric hospital.
Oh, that is good. I met with elders of our family and they said that I should endeavor to attend the next meeting.
Okay.
And they have solution to Evan's problem.
Oh, that's good. Thank you so much.
And they also said that they will do something about that young man that put you into that trouble.
Hey, I'll be glad for that. Evans is my only son.
Alright, I promise you, everything is going to be alright. Eh? Do not bother yourself.
Thank you so much once again, Nai.
Alright. It's alright.
So, you are about going?
Yes, let me go.
Wait, huh? I cooked food. Let me get food for you. I cooked all for her.
Oh, you don't worry.
Very delicious.
I know you cook delicious dish, but I'm on my way to somewhere. Next time I will come, I promised you that I will sit down. Request you for her.
Don't worry, next time as you say.
Alright.
Oh yeah, bye.
It's alright. Thank you.
Bye.
Just look at it. And my wife is not yet back. This is the second time she's doing this. Coming back to this house late. But this time around, it's not going to be easy. At all. This just has to stop. This has to stop. Who is that? The door is open. Don't bathe me. Where are you coming from?
I don't get it. Where
are you coming from by this time of the night?
What kind of question is that? From my boutique, of course.
From your boutique? And you're smelling of alcohol.
I don't just get it. What is this? What is this? What are you insinuating? That I've been drinking all day in my boutique? What are you insinuating? What is this?
Esther, listen. Listen. This should be the first and the last time you will come back to this house by this time of the night. Do you understand?
Joseph, do not provoke me this night. Do not provoke my anger. Can't I do my business again in peace?
And what kind of business are you doing till 12 midnight? What kind of stupid business is that? Let this stop. Do you understand? I don't want to repeat myself again.
I know your problems. You are just a frustrated man. But let me advise you. Take your frustration elsewhere.
Have you seen devil before? If I ask you,
Did she just call me a frustrated man?
what will be your
Did she just call me a frustrated man?
What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one?
What do you call this night? What is this?
Calm down now. Am I not your husband? Why are you pushing me away?
Don't try it again, please. I'm tired. I want to sleep. Don't do it again.
Baby, you're warning. Are you warning me? Babe, you know it's been long. It's been long we did it. I'm feeling you.
Feeling who?
You.
I don't understand. Starting when?
Baby,
no, starting when? You're feeling me.
Baby, you can't keep.
Stop me again. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. Don't do it again.
You can't keep denying me of my conjugal rights now. I married you. What? Baby, stop this now. Follow me. It's me. You're my wife.
Don't do it again.
Please, I'll make this thing.
I'm tired. And if you continue with this, I will leave this room for you.
You can't be tired for
your husband. I will leave this room for you. What nonsense? Listen, Bobby. Come on, cake. Do my cake. Prepare me again. I will leave. Just take it. Prepare. Go to this room. Don't try it again. I like it. Don't disturb me.
How can I help you?
I'm here because of my husband. I want you to take his eyes off me so that I can live any kind of life I want to live.
Is that all?
Yes, Baba, for now.
You have to go and come back tomorrow for a charm. It will cost you 200,000 naira.
Okay, Baba. The money, should I pay now or I pay later?
You can pay now if you have the money with you. You can go now. Come back tomorrow for the charm.
Thank you so much, Papa.
Wait. I see a man standing on your way. He's a chief. And he is after your husband and you. You have to do something very fast to get him out of your way.
But what would that one cost me?
That will cost you more 150,000 naira.
Please, start the work. I will pay tomorrow when I come.
But you have to drop something for the deity. Good. You are now covered. Go and come back tomorrow for the chow.
I shall be back.
The mistake I made that day was not following her. At least to know where she is.
Honestly, Amaka, you should have followed her. You could have just followed her.
There is still hope. I believe the supermarket can still give us a lead.
How do you mean?
I suggest Amaka should take me to the supermarket. I believe I can track her from there.
But, I mean, you don't even know where she stays. So how do you do that?
You see, I know it's going to cost me a lot. But I don't mind doing that for the sake of my friends.
Amaka, you've heard what he said.
Yes, I will take him there. But there's every possibility that he might not meet her there. Because she doesn't stay there. And she doesn't come there often.
Don't worry, Amaka. You just take me there and leave the rest to me.
It's okay. So when are we going?
Is tomorrow okay by you?
Sure. By what time?
Let's say we'll leave by 8 a.m.
Okay. It's fine.
Oh,
okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this, for your concern towards my husband.
You see, Hilda, your husband is not just a friend to me, but like a brother. Whatever you see me doing now is precisely what he would have done for me. So don't worry, it's okay.
Thank you. It's okay, Hilda. I have to be on my way now.
Take this. Take it home. When you get home, you put it on and use the hand to touch him. And he will become totally submissive to you. But let me warn you, you have to be very careful that nobody else touches the charm. As for the chief, I will take care of him. I will send a snake to bite him and he will die instantly.
Wise one. Thank you so much. May the gods bless you.
Thank you. So you go now and enjoy your peace.
Thank you so much.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy?
What did they do here? Since yesterday, don't show face for here. Today, I guess you show your face again. Who you be?
Am I sitting on your seat? Eh? What is your problem? Why are you embarrassing me?
This thing where they talk, I won't say no be your lopa. Before I go change that for you, be as they see me, I be Lagos boy. I dey worry you, I be Wele boy. They hear me so?
My friend, will you get out of this place?
I don't tell you my own finish. They hear me? If you get here, make you hear and well.
I'm beginning to melody as you go. Whatever I did to you, please forgive me. Return the favor back because I'm in trouble. Return my favor.
Yes, baby. You know, like I told you, baby, I have connection in other part of the world. You know, I can connect you to any country of your choice.
Oh, that would be so nice.
Yes.
It's so interesting. Okay,
babe, that's a very simple task. You know, I have this agent friend that resides in Turkey. You know, I can just call him so you can speak to him yourself.
Oh my God, this is very interesting. Thank you so much. I would truly appreciate that.
You're welcome. It's just one call away, like I told you.
Thank you.
And also, babe, how about we go on a 1 month trip to California?
California?
Yes, of course.
That will also be very interesting.
I told you, baby, and then I can spoil you silly, take you to places you've never been to. You can forget about that, your crazy husband.
No. One more word about him, I'll leave. He's still my husband.
I know. You should calm down. I'm just pulling your leg. You take things too serious.
Let it get you're pulling my leg.
Yes. Just, baby.
That's the contrary.
You know, I can't wait to travel around the world with you. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
She has not been picking her calls. I've been calling her over for hours now. What is wrong with her? What is going on? I will so deal with her if she comes back. I will so deal with her. No, I can't take this. I can't take this anymore. I cannot. And where are you coming from? Now start talking. Where are you coming from?
Darling.
Don't darling me. Darling, kill you there. I said, where are you coming from? Start talking.
Sweetheart.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. You're back.
Yes, I'm back.
Oh my God. I've been waiting for you. I've been missing you.
You missed me.
Babe. Oh. Oh, damn. Babe, you look gorgeous.
Thank you. Okay, I just have to freshen up. Okay?
I'm waiting. I've been missing you. Damn.
As soon as the contract entered the country, he thought it was going to be business as usual. He never knew that every eyes were on him. The moment he stepped into that place, he was gathered and beaten up. And since that day, he has never stepped his leg. He has never stepped his leg again.
How will he get to that place? He will never in his life go to that place again.
I said he has never stepped his leg there again.
My leg! My leg! Oh, my leg! My leg! My leg! My leg! My leg! My leg! Snake! My leg! Wait, please help me! 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 I don't want to die! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help my leg! My leg!
Has Evis called you today?
Yeah.
So, what about your husband? Have you gone to see him?
He's responding to treatment. I mean, they're really doing their best. I'm glad.
Good. But are you sure this is going to work? Because it's been a week now he's been there.
I'm hopeful. Hold on, Evis calling me.
Okay, pick.
Okay. Hello?
I think I should start coming back now. I had an emergency call.
Oh, please come back. You've really tried. Okay?
Yes, but I am not giving up. Once I'm done with the call, I will come back here.
Alright.
Hold on, please. I'll call you back. I'll call you back.
What happened?
Just hold on a minute. I'll call you back.
Oh, okay.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money.
He said he will call me back.
Then let's wait for his call. Let's be certain about it. As for Mama has really tried. She
has. My dear, thank God for giving us relief at a time we almost lost hope.
Thank God, because Elvis is a positive man. He told me that he will come out with a positive result.
Yeah, he had faith.
Yes, I love that.
I love that too. So I'll let Chief know. Yes, I'll let Chief know when we were able to, apprehend her. When we're able to get useful information about her, I'll let him know.
I think we should just wait till he calls back.
Very well then, let's wait.
Yes, because I'm very sure and I'm certain about his call. He's going to call back.
Let's wait then.
Yes.
Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman. Which one is enemy of man? Cause I'm confused. Which one? I'm confused. Is enemy of man? Jeremiah Ronya, one you'll be a boy. Udega de Roma, one you'll be Kakraka. It's so bad. This is wickedness. desperate woman. This is wickedness. And you're not forgotten to know. You cross boundaries, pretend as well. You went extra mile just to achieve your evil doom. You must pay for all this evil. No hiding place. You must pay. If I ask you, have you seen devil before?
What have I done now? You see, Grandma? Sorry. Okay, sorry. Please now. Let's see my face before. No.
Calm. If you don't take time, I will buy you for this place and nothing will happen. Nobody will spare your dead body. You hear me? The grace when they form SS3 boys, you know what the SS3 boys? Olopa. Have you been Olopa?
No, I'm not.
If you talk anyhow, I will blow your skull. I go tell you say I'm a dead man, don't die before. Go see devil yourself. I'm the second devil. For this earth where they live. I might get over this.
Yes.
The American citizen.
No, I'm not.
You look me?
No. Sorry. Look you.
I don't achieve this one. Let's say we use this place like that. Let's say big man.
Has he picked?
No. As a matter of fact, his line is switched off.
Switched off?
Yes.
But why?
I don't know. You know, this is exactly the same feeling I had in the case of my husband. I'm just scared. I'm scared.
God, please, let nothing happen to him.
I pray so. I just hope someone hasn't suspected him and then decided to follow him up.
I just pray nothing happens to him. This is the reason why I said we should not call Chief yet.
Thank God I didn't tell Chief. I did not tell him. But don't you think it's better we let Chief know about Elvis' movement? Just in case he has gotten himself into trouble or something.
I think we should wait for his call first.
You think so?
Yes.
Oh God, please. Elvis should not get into trouble because of I and my husband though. Yeah, I don't want anything to happen to him, please. I'm just scared.
It's okay, Ida. Come on. Look, let's keep fingers crossed, okay? He will definitely call.
I just hope so, girl. I'm tired of everything. Like, what kind of temptation is this one? I just hope nothing has happened to him.
Nothing has happened to him, okay? Don't be negative about this. Nothing will happen to me.
So this is how Barry lost his life to a snake bite. The spiritualist I met told me the snake was sent to attack me. Who did I offend? Is it in connection with the same snake bite? For a reason I don't know. For the second time.
Sir, Miss Ada is here to see you.
Please tell her I'm not able to see anyone. Let me sort myself before they kill me. Hello, man of God. Are you in the office? Yes, something came up. Alright, I'm coming to see you.
Mama.
Mama the mom.
Mama, hello. After you now you. Your shoe shine. Your face show.
Lose this guy, lose him. Who sent you after me? Who sent you to trail me? I am talking to you. Who sent you? Do you think I'm joking with you? Who sent you after me? You don't want to talk? Alright, boys, deal with this idiot until he is ready to talk.
I let you stop.
Stop. Are you now ready to talk? Or do you want him to kill you here? Who sent you after me?
No one sent me. No one sent me.
You lie. And you know you are lying. You feel you shouldn't talk to me. You don't want to say the truth? Alright. Boys.
Mother, I have been calling him and he's not taking his call. His number is not even going at all. I mean, how come he just disappeared after telling us that he saw Esther?
Are you sure some criminals have not attacked him?
I don't know. I just feel something bad must have happened to him. I think... Mother, Elvis is the one calling.
Answer.
Hello, Elvis. Elvis, where have you been? We have been worried sick about you. What happened?
This is Esther, Joe's wife.
Esther, listen. Do not lay your filthy hands on that man. Do you hear me? Do not try it. Listen, you will not escape it. I swear to God, I will come for you and I will get you.
You sent your boyfriend after me, right? Now listen. Let this be the last time you can ever try this rubbish. Don't try it with me next time. Did you hear me? This is the last warning. If you dare me again, your husband's condition will be better than yours. Read my words. Your husband's condition will be better than yours.
Listen, you cannot do anything. Esther, you cannot do anything. If you think you are strong, come out from your hiding place. Let's do it woman to woman. Come out from your hiding place. You think you're strong. Come out now. Why are you hiding? Why?
Hiding? Hiding from who? From you? I cannot hide from a riffraff like you. I have just given you the last warning. As for your boyfriend here, the toy that you sent after me, he will come back with the remaining message to you. Fool. Deal with this idiot.
Esther, how can you be so wicked to someone that rendered help to you?
Open that gutter of yours to talk to me?
You beat the hand that fed you. How can you be so wicked?
How is it your business? How is it your business with the deal my husband had with his friend? How? I am trying to control myself, not to lay my hands on you. I will touch you.
It is my business from all indication. Evans is my friend, and I am ready to lay down my life for him.
Make sure that you pay dearly for opening that gutter of yours to challenge me. I bet you.
What did she say? Angry. I just want to see Esther. I want to see her. I want to see her. But let's just do it woman to woman, mother. That lady is a beast. She's evil.
Calm down. Calm down. Do not wake your husband, please. Calm down. Oh,
She has kidnapped Elvis. She is currently with Elvis.
I hate her. I just want to set my eyes on her. Let me set my eyes on that Jezebel. God! Damn!
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. Oh my God, I'm so good.
You're so sweet, my love.
Thank you.
What are you doing here?
Baby, who is this man in my house?
Will you shut up? What kind of person is that?
Oh, baby, who is he now?
Get lost. I said leave.
Okay.
I said leave.
Get out. Welcome, sir.
Stupid man.
It's alright, babe. It's okay. Don't let this guy spoil our mood, okay?
It's okay, babe. I'm sorry about that, okay?
It's alright, babe. But I think I need to leave, okay?
No, we don't need to.
No?
Better still, let's go to my room.
Are you sure about that? I don't want problems, okay?
No.
Baby!
That's my name.
I know.
Okay, you can just stay.
It's so bad. This is wickedness. Desperate woman. This is wickedness. And you're not forgotten to know. You cross boundaries. Pretend as well. You went extra mile just to achieve your evil doom. You must pay for all the...
I was about to come to your house this morning because I was worried. I want to go to the city to go and see how my son is.
Ojugo, we are very sorry for the little delay. But thank God everything has been settled. The needed rituals have been performed on behalf of our son, Evans.
Oh,
so we expect good news this
Thank
time.
God. So my son will be well again?
Yes. That is what Ezemo promised. The spirit of madness has been removed. Your son will be well again. He did no one wrong. Yes.
Paulinus, thank you so much. May God bless you.
You don't have to thank me. Evans is the man of the people. This land will not allow any evil to befall him.
So I am free to go to the city now.
You can now go and bring us good news.
Amen.
Good news.
Amen.
Oh yes.
Thank you.
Dalo. Dalo Rine. Let me run about there.
Whatever I did to you, please forgive me. Chief, return the favor back.
Who will take me to that witch before she kills me?
Chief, sorry, who are you talking about?
I'm talking about that idiot that her husband ran out with my money. She sent a strange snake to kill me. Eventually, it beat my friend Barry and he died instantly.
Oh my God, he died.
Please, how can I see her? Who will take me to her?
Elvis! Elvis! Elvis!
What happened to him?
Chief, that is the young man I sent to trail the lady you're talking about. And she ended up kidnapping him. Just look what she did to him.
Please, let's take him to hospital immediately.
Yes, please.
Babe, guess what?
What?
Your papers will be out tomorrow and you're leaving the country in 2 weeks' time.
Oh my God! Are you serious?
Yes, baby.
Like I'm gonna be in California in 2 weeks?
Exactly, my love. I want to spoil you silly, baby. I want to spoil you silly, my love.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank
you know, I told you I'm going to take you around the world. I'm going to make you the happiest lady on earth, baby. You know?
California,
here we go.
Oh my God.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Baby?
What are you doing here?
My baby, my baby.
What is it? What is this?
Sorry, don't be angry now. I want to tell you something.
Tell me something. Tell me what?
It won't take time, just a few
You see
minutes.
that I'm in the middle of something. What is your problem?
It won't take time, just a few minutes. I'm done.
Now leave this place. Get out.
Now, can you tell you something?
Get out.
Okay.
Do you know you're foolish?
Take it easy, man.
Do you know you're a stupid man?
Baby. Baby, it's okay. It's okay. I won't disturb you again. Oh?
Get out.
Yeah.
Get out.
Why not again? You like enjoyment. Now, when he talk.
No, I didn't. It's okay, I'm fine.
Get out!
Oh,
come back. Come back. You're a foolish man. If there is anything that is more than being foolish, that is what you are.
Yeah.
Yes. You're a very stupid man. Don't try to interrupt me next time.
It's okay. It's okay. It won't happen again. It won't happen again. Smile for me now.
Get out. Go to the kitchen. Wash up all those dirty plates and pots. Tidy up that kitchen.
It's okay. It's not a problem. It's okay. Nice nature, huh?
I'm fine. You can leave, okay?
Johanna, bear me.
Babe, you're so funny. Where did you pick this guy from?
I know.
It's okay. Very soon
Oh
you're
my
not
God.
having these issues again, okay?
I don't want to ever see his ugly face.
I know. Soon we're going uptown, baby. You know.
Joseph! Joseph! Joseph!
Mommy.
How dare you?
Yeah?
How dare you not to do what I ask you to do?
What is that? I did everything.
You did what?
I washed the plate and the pot.
Did you clean that kitchen?
Oh, the kitchen. The kitchen is not dirty.
Are you mad?
Mommy.
The kitchen is not what? You are just a fool. You're waiting for me to tell you to clean before you can clean it.
It's clean, it's not dirty.
I said move.
Hey!
Move! Come on!
Mommy! Hey!
Mama, I've been feeling weak lately. I don't know why.
Have you taken any medication?
No,
I know why. Who said my daughter is a paranoia? Oya. You that.
Mama, thank God for what?
I think you are pregnant.
Really?
Hey!
Baby.
Hey, then what am I doing here? Why am I here? Mama.
Now, God of our ancestors, I thank you. You've liberated my son.
What am I doing? How long have I been?
No? How long? Hey!
Has Joe paid the money into my account? The 30 million naira.
30 million. You know what? Let me get the nuts.
How long have I been here?
God, I thank you. May your name be highly exalted. May your name be highly praised forever and ever.
Amen.
Hey!
You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You caused me pain, you broke my heart. Why all this wickedness on me? I'm beginning
Who is this place?
whatever I did to you, please
What am I doing here?
return the favor back, because I'm in trouble.
This is not my room.
Return my favor
What am I doing here?
back. I am in trouble right now.
Grandma. Where am I and what am I doing here? What am I doing here? These things are not mine. Man, where's my wife? And my friends, Evans, I've not spoken with him in a long time. Where's my wife? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
I have transferred to 20 million naira into your account.
Oh, wow, babe. Thanks a lot. I'll make a refund back to you tomorrow once I resolve the issue in the bank, okay?
It's okay. It's no problem at all.
I know, baby. Okay, and should I drop you off at the shop so I can just run along?
Okay, that would be nice. In a hurry. Can we just finish our drink?
Oh, sure, your wish is my command. Okay, baby. You know, I love it when you smile because you look so beautiful.
Thank you. And you look cute too.
Thank you, my love. You're so sweet.
It's so bad. This is wickedness.
What is going on? Duke's number had been off since he left me. His number has never gone off before. What is going on?
You must pay for all this evil.
Who is Duke?
What kind of question is that?
Duke's number has been off since he left you. Who is he?
What kind of question are you asking me?
That doesn't answer my question. Meanwhile, what are we doing here? What's going on? And where is the money? I mean, all the money in my account. Where is it?
I don't understand. What are you asking me? Am I the one running your account?
You've not answered any of my questions. Maybe I'll allow you go in and freshen up. Then you come out and digest all the questions one after the other. Do you get that?
It's so bad. This is wickedness. Desperate woman. This is wickedness. Anyama fugantimo. You cross boundaries.
That's really happened.
Pretend as well. You went extra mile just to
Why would he talk to me like that?
You must pay for all this.
Something is wrong.
No hiding place for you. You must pay.
You shouldn't. My goodness. My goodness.
If I ask you,
oh my God.
Have you seen
hey!
What
I'm finished.
Your answer?
I'm finished though. How did this get here? Oh my God, I'm finished too. He must have touched this. He must have touched this. What have you done? What have you done, Esther? Hey! Hey! I'm finished. I'm finished. Esther, you are gone. You are gone, no. He must have touched this. He must have touched this. What is this? Oh. Hey! 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 Baba! I need to go and say, Baba, this cannot be happening, no. I'm finished, oh. I'm gone, oh. Hey!
I am sure that girl did something to me. How could all my money disappear? All the money in my account disappear like that? Who is this Duke? I am sure he's the owner of that cap and t-shirt I saw in my room. Which means she has been bringing another man here. Chai.
I can't sleep in this house this night. This guy will kill me.
I have to find my way out of this house so that I can see Baba first thing in the morning.
I will kill her this night if she doesn't tell me the truth. And what happened to all the money in my account? What happened to it?
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? 'Cause I'm confused, oh. Which one? I'm confused, is enemy of man? Jeremiah Ronya, one you be a boy. Udega de Roma, one you be Kakraka.
Baba, I'm in trouble. Baba, I'm in trouble. Baba, I have another problem. You're the only one who can help me from this.
You caused the harm yourself. So you must be ready to face the consequences.
Papa, this is not the time for blame. This is not the time to apportion blame to anybody. You can't be blaming me. It don't happen. There's nothing I can do. You are my only hope, my only option, everything. But please, help me. Whatever it's going to cost me, I will pay. Just mention it. Please. That's why I'm here. My husband is looking for me everywhere. He wants to kill me. I can't go to my house. If I enter my house now, I'm a dead person. Biko, please.
There's only one way, but it will be difficult.
But there's nothing that will be difficult in this situation. Mention it. Just say the amount. I will pay for this one to be done. Papa, I am ready to pay. I am ready. Please, just tell me the amount.
You're ready?
Yes, Baba.
You have to sleep with me. That is the only condition.
Baba, you can't say that. Baba, have you forgotten I'm a married woman? You want to worsen the whole thing. I'm still saying that I've entered trouble one side. You want me to enter from another side? Papa, that one cannot work. Now, say something else, I will do that one. But this one, Patawa, Biko.
Leave here now. I cannot help you anymore.
Are you serious?
Yes. I say leave here. If you don't leave now, I will send an ailment. Leave.
Baba, I'm ready. Yes, I accept. I'll do it. When do you want it? Now? Later? You want me to? Where are we going to do it, Biko? Save me from this. I'm already almost gone.
It is done.
Omo, I know say she go don try call my number tire. Chai, 20 meter for my account. Omo, she even pay twice of the amount sef. Man, I have to leave this country as soon as possible. As in, I have to leave. Hi. This is an example for those desperate ladies out there. They have to be contented with what they have. Just look at the way she's treating a fellow guy like me. Omo, that woman na wincho. Anyway, the money don't enter her account like this. Omo. Hey, I don't have man. Hi. Chai.
Baby.
Hey!
Baby.
Give a woman.
Baby.
Hey!
Baby, I'm sorry.
Don't come close to me. Don't ever son. Then that you know. Then. I'm sorry about that. Sorry, kill you. Sorry, kill him dead.
I don't mind my hands go up.
Stop touching this wall. Stop touching this wall.
I'm sorry.
Where are you coming from? What are you doing here?
Please, oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Don't come close to me, oh. The beginning. Leave them. Yeah? What is it now? Leave me alone now. Yeah, I'll. Hey! Stop! Hey! Don't answer! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Answer!
Sir, I don't know what happened, bro. She went and did charm and charmed me. All this while, I don't even know myself. I just realized myself. Okay, now she has gone to redo the charm and came back here to touch me, so I start falling for her again. But I've realized myself. I know what I'm doing now. I don't even know what she did to my friend.
You will know when you get to the police station. Officer, arrest her.
No, listen to me. Let me explain. I'm explaining to you. Don't allow her to touch you because she's carrying charm here.
Arrest her immediately.
Chalon, I have something to say now. Let me say something, please, brother. Brother, sorry. You see, everything my husband is saying is true. I did them. I fuck up. I'm sorry. Because I did all of them. I did it.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Why are you this wicked? Why?
What exactly can I do for you now?
My husband borrowed money from somebody. I don't want him to return that money back to the owner. I want him to do whatever I ask him to do concerning that money.
Is that all?
No, that's not all. The person that borrowed that money to him, I want him mad. I want him to run mad. So that everything about that money will wipe out of his brain, his sense, his life.
That will cost you 300,000 naira.
That's too much now. Only 200 from me, Biko.
Do you have the 200 here?
Yes, I have.
Drop it on the floor. You can go now. Everything will be done according to you. See?
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, yeah? I hate that. Because everybody forgive me. I did everything. I didn't know when it happened. Therefore, they won't kill me. I killed me. I killed myself.
That's the way we are going to make sure you rot in jail.
Aye.
You're evil. Officers, do your job.
Get out! Get up!
No, not the first.
Stand up! Get up! Stand up! Move! Your confession has not finished.
You sent a snake to kill me.
What?
Oh!
Not be me sent. I did not send. No.
Oh, give one. Sir, you are right. Who are you cheating?
It's Baba sent it. Baba sent it.
And you paid him to kill me. Eventually, my friend took the bite.
Officers, please take them.
Daddy, go there.
Daddy, please.
Ask her to remove all the things she's wearing. That's charm.
Before you know it now, she turned to snake.
I said take it off.
Daddy,
remove it.
Please,
Do you want me to use
Ask her to remove everything.
Remove it.
Remove it.
Remove it.
You come to touch me again, so I'll start doing mumu for you. Remove it. Watch and watch. Okay, how I want to now. Ask her to remove everything.
Drop it.
Don't touch it.
Drop it.
Daddy, you know, yeah. Daddy, go there. Look at
I said drop
my
it.
wife.
I will use force on you.
Get up!
Take her out. I said move.
Move!
Daddy!
Anaconda!
Hey!
Stop looking at that.
Daddy!
Anaconda! What's you, boom?
My friend, please, I'm sorry. For all I did to you. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. It's the bad woman that I married.
Make sure you recover all the money in her account.
I will do that.
We still need the money.
Okay. Hey, Mandem. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Hey! Yeah? You all me, please beg him for me, okay? Nah, I'll see you, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate. Hey, Chief. Eh? So she sent a snake to you. Chief in that vam. Hey! I'm gonna make it a anaconda. Hey! Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you for saving me. Thank you. This lady, Butagon. Hi. Oh! If I shoot, it's your heart.
Hey! Wow. Hey! See money. I'm gonna see money. See that money now? See money. Hey! Please! Your hands on the edge! Touch them. Your hands on the edge. Touch them very well. Okay, I don't have anything now. Shut up. Step aside. Stop, be careful. Why are you romancing me now? Okay, keep quiet. Yeah. Move! Officer, take the bag, take the bag. Put the money inside. Where?
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one